Mother sin azu matacha everything about you. Send to ya gabia potagi. Ofu go gafa. Yeah, about range work. And then in I must be careful and stop deceiving people. Stop deceiving people. Deuteronomy chapter 18:20 say, otherwise you will die. Because people have problems. Don't perpetuate their problems by adding another problems into the problems they came with. It's manipulation. If you want to be famous, there are other ways to be famous. If you want to be rich, there are other ways to be rich and wealthy. It's not through prophetic deception. Prophecy is a dangerous unit. Prophetic ministry. And every second is not a time of thought, says the Lord. If somebody tells you something, say, somebody told me. Don't say the Lord says. Oh yes, singing Amara Faggy, Pa Faggy, singing Adeno Sago. Oh, one again calls on one again calls on into Menka. That one won't be like Cameroon. They get where Yajamari. Josiah Yajojo, Kadian Kuzeri na Unek last week. Reverend
Ebuka Mbaka. Reverend Ebuka Mbaka. Reverend Ebuka Mbaka. The reason why you about 3 times so that he will take cotton board. Fear and take come where you enter the work. Managing I'm one kitty, manifest maybe. Onya mera amarala Mobuskibo one them. Onya Gwara Amara. I'm not here to defend anybody, and I'm not here to defend anything. But I want to chip in something very, very important to you, Reverend Ebuka Mbaka. He the Kumaka arrange. He said for us go about the father of all arrange. Ebuka Mbaka, you are the father of all arrange miracle. I mean to tell you. I call you by your name, Ebuka Mbaka. You are the father of all arrange miracle. 1. You are the father of all fake prophecy. 2. You are the main reason why Nigerians are suffering today. You are a political priest. You are not a priest, though. You are a political priest. Ebuka Mbaka, I call you by your name. You are the main reason why Nigerians are suffering today. Because of ego Nkuwa, you deny your brother Peter Obi. Because no ego naka. You were because of Peter Obi. Because of it, deny ya Peter Obi, but ego Nkuwa. Jenya Buhari or Nyaya, whatever, because if he knew remembers. Ebuka Mbaka is the deceitful and evil. Let me just tell you, because all the guy number 4th position in Imo State, equal governor. But he just endorsed because only the ego. Reverend Ebuka Mbaka, you told us that the Buhari is a prayer answered. And after all, what happens? Buhari bata 4 years ago, a contract. What if any return Kuba against Buhari? 8 years ago, now we are still suffering. And the same prayer answer he could. Kaina Tafu today because the Buhari actually go or now, how much is dollar Ebuka Mbaka? Dollar is 1,600 naira. And not I don't get 2,000 very soon. How many times have you opened your mouth and speak for the you call yourself prophet? Onya bagare ibe na nkaso no bara na aja ofia. Mmadụ na Abuja na factory ga ejegoro ngwa ya na factory. Erusi ofu onye were ego, ofu eji ego na load container. Because now maybe see, listen, let me tell you, nobody reigns forever and nobody can ever reign forever. Indirectly, we all know that you are talking about Ebuka Obi. We don't need a prophet to tell us. And I'm not here to defend anybody. But let me just ship this into you that nobody do what? Nobody reigns forever. If you think you can reign forever, it's a lie. Mbetibi Joshua no. The name Ebuka Obi did not come out. Ebuka Obi na emero nwe menace in a low key. Onwe mo onye obu. TB Joshua nwo. Ebuka Obi rise ya. Your own time agago. Ebuka Obi make his own this thing, his own time. Omega expire. Another person will start running. Nobody ran forever. No president forever. President, ex-president. Any government, ex-governor. Ife na-arịa gị apụrụ ife ọzọ bụ anya ukwu ejike Mbaka anya ukwu na-arịa gị. You are a political priest. Ịgba wọl ti fada onye nke, ịgba wọl ti bishọp nke, ịgba wọl ti onye nke. Onye kpakara ibe ya nkụ asị na ọkpara n'ajọ ọhịa. Well, I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised because now at the last day, Bible said that perilous time shall come when men will be lovers of themselves more than lovers of God. And at the last day, people will start fighting themselves. Church against church, nations against nation, men against men. On the today on social media, native doctor fights against native doctor, pastor fight against pastor, church fights against church. What kedem question chegari na accusing members of your church. In accusing members of your church hatred. Nigerians, some fools and gullibles because he white and white Sudan. He white and white Mbaka. If it's region in Nigeria, you're supposed to go to prison. In a developed and a civilized country, you're supposed to enter prison for misleading the gullibles, for misleading millions of Nigerians. During the election time, they put a whole one day that he will not win. Instead of you to pray for him, instead of you to support him, pray spiritually and otherwise, but financially, you will take support. But you cannot do it. But you want money. The money. Who go chop the money? In the factory, so only you. It is a go rent forever. You will because of Ego Nkuwa. He betrayed one day work to be. You think that you don't know. Because he feel ni iPod, today. Bam, followers. We all know what you are doing. You are agents to the Fulani. You are agents to the Hausa. You are agents. Ibu padlock to Ndibo. I have checked around. We chop that as a priest. Na Ndibo. Ndibo came to go. Have you ever campaigned anything good for Ndibo with your members? The answer is no. In a campaign in the Hausa. You cannot say anything now because you have sold yourself to politicians. You can't say anything. You can't advise them. The millions of people vote for Onya. Buhari is a prayer answer. Today, what is happening? Buhari is poor. Get the prayer answer than to hand us over to another Shegebanza. Buhari is a prayer answer. The king and the father of all RNG and the father of fake prophecy is you, Ejike Mbaka. I said it clear.